Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE 22 sample questions of linear algebra. This is regular basis solution and today is question 9. Consider the matrix A is equal to k 0 k minus 1 k minus 1 0 0 k square minus 1. If the system Ax is equal to 0 has only one independent solution, then k is equal to what? So let's try to solve this. Here is a matrix given. So determinant of A is equal to C k into k minus 1 into k minus 1 k square minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we see the values are of k is equal to either 0 or 1 or minus 1. Okay, so now we know rank is less than ordered. So therefore, if suppose k is equal to 0, when we put k is equal to 0, then the matrix become 0 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. So here is we see rank is equal to 2, that is 2 non-zero rows. Now if k is equal to 1 we take, then 1 1 matrix become 1 1 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. So we should not follow k is equal to 1 as because rank is equal to 1 given in rank is equal to 1 independent solution. So rank is equal to 1 is given in the question and k is equal to 1 is rejected here. So k is equal to 1 is rejected. So k is equal to 1 is rejected here. So this one is rejected. Now if we put k is equal to minus 1, then the matrix become minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 0 0 0. Therefore rank is equal to 2. So here we see that is the in one independent solution of k. So the independent number of independent solution is equal to 0 or 0 and minus 1. So we put 0 comma minus 1. So 0 minus 1, option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 9. Now moving to question 10. So question 10 tells us the number of the solution of the simultaneous algebraic equation y is equal to 3x plus 3 and y is equal to 3x plus 5 is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of linear algebra and it is a GATE sample question 2020-22. So the given equation is equal to 3x minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay. And another one is 3x minus y is equal to minus 5. These are the two equations. Now we know a1 by a2 is equal to what? 3 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 1, and b1 by b2 is equal to what? Minus 1 by minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 1, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 5. So that is equal to 3 by 5. Now we see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So therefore no solution. Here it occurs no solution corresponding to 0 solution. Corresponds to no solution means what? No solution means 0 solution. 0 solution. So now I explaining the system of the equations. as because we know if a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, if it is separate, equation is given, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is another equation, then one case a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Result, unique solution we get. We get unique solution. Okay. Now number 2, a1 by a2 that is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In that case we get infinite solution. Infinite solution. Okay. And case 3, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. In that case we get no solution. We get no solution. That means, so here no solution means zero solution, so a is equal to 0. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option A is our correct choice. So these are the 2 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.